Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson operations on rational numbers. Now we will discuss about the multiplication of rational numbers. Already we have understood about the addition and subtraction. For addition and subtraction we have to take the LCM if the denominators are not same. Then do the addition and subtraction. Okay. But now in the multiplication, what is the rule? If A by B and C by D are two rational numbers, then their product is given by A by B into C by D is equal to A into C upon B into D. Means multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Okay, and then find out the product. Now coming to the example 11, multiply 4 by 5 by minus 10 by 3. So for that 4 by 5 multiplication sign minus 10 by 3. That means 4 into minus 10 upon 5 into 3. In fractional numbers, you have understood, you have to ask the numerator and the denominator. If they are the multiples of the same number, then you have to cancel. Isn't it? Now ask 4 and 5. No, not possible. 4 and 3. No. Now 10 and 5, yes, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Now they are not same multiples, it is not there, so directly multiply. Plus minus, minus 4 twos are 8 upon 1 threes are 3. So answer is minus 8 by 3. Now coming to the example 12, find the product of minus 6 by 11, product means multiplication, minus 7 by 9. So minus 6 into minus 7, multiply the numerators. Now 11 into 9, multiply the denominators. Now 6 and 11, not possible. 6 and 9 is possible. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Now 7 and 11, no. 7 and 3, no. So it will be minus minus plus. When you multiply the same signs, the answer will be plus. Remember, integer lesson. Okay. So minus minus plus 2 sevens are 14. 11 threes are 33. So the answer is 14 by 33. So that was example 11 and 12. Now coming to the properties of the multiplication of rational numbers. In each and every this one operation, addition, subtraction, we have discussed about the properties. So property 1, the product of two rational numbers remains the same even if we change their order. That means x and y are two rational numbers, then x into y is equal to y into x. That means it is the commutative law. So this is the commutative law of multiplication. For addition also it applies, for multiplication also it applies, but not for subtraction. Now if you see the example 3 by 5 into minus 4 by 7, if you find out 3 into minus 4 divided by upon 5 by 5 into 7, so cancellation is not there, plus minus minus, 3 fours are 12, 5 sevens are 35. When you reverse the order, minus 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. Minus 4 into 3 upon 7 into 5. Minus plus minus. 4 3s are 12. 7 5s are 35. So the answer is same. Now coming to the second property, which is associative property. Means three rational numbers. Product remains the same even when we change the grouping of the rational numbers. That is, if x, y, z are three rational numbers, x into y into z is equal to x into y into z. Means the way of multiplication is different. Grouping of the numbers is different. This is called as associative law of multiplication. If you see the example, minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 7. First multiply this and then multiply it by minus 2 by 11. So LHS, it is this side. You solve it first. So minus 3 into 5. How much it will be? Minus plus minus. 3 5s are 15. 4 7s are 28 into minus 2 by 11. So directly we are seeing numerator denominator. So this step we are not writing. Okay. So when you see 15 and 28, cannot be. 15 and 11 not possible, but 2 and 28 it's possible. 2 1s are 2, 2 14s are 28. Now minus minus, same sign, plus. 15 1s are 15, 14 11s are 11, 4s are 44, 11 1s are 11, plus 4 50. So you got 15 upon 154. Now in RHS, it is first you multiply the second and the third numbers. Okay, so minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 7 into minus 2 by 11. So minus 3 by 4, keep it like that. Now you multiply this. So it will be plus minus minus. 5 2s are 10. 7 11s are 77. Now check 3 and 4. Not possible. 3 and 77. Not possible. But 10 and 4 possible. It is in 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. So minus minus plus. 3 5s are 15. 2 77s are 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. So you got the same numbers. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So both the commutative as well as the associative property, it holds good for the multiplication of the rational numbers. Now coming to the property 3. The product of the rational number and 0 is always 0. Any number multiplied by 0, it will be 0. So here it is true for the rational number also. So if x is any rational number, then x into 0 is equal to 0 into x is equal to 0. So any rational number into 0 is 0. Now property 4, 1 multiplied by any rational number is the rational number itself. You know already. If x is a rational number, then x into 1 is equal to 1 into x is equal to x. So that is why 1 is the identity element under multiplication. So which is the identity element under multiplication? It is 1. Why? When you multiply any rational number by 1, the answer remains the same. Hope you are confident with this properties. Now coming to the last property, that is a distributive law. You have learned for the whole numbers, natural numbers and all, but it applies for the rational number also. If x, y and z are the three rational numbers, then x into y plus z is equal to x into y plus x into z. That means x is common for both y and z. So x into y, इधर प्लस साइन है तो प्लस डालो, फिर x into z. ओके, फॉर माइनस सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए कैसे आएगा, x into y minus z. Same way, x is common for both y and z. So x into y minus, okay, x into z. X into y plus x into z. Here x into y minus x into z. So this is called as the distributive law of multiplication. Is it clear? Now to show the LHS is equal to RHS, means 2 by 5 into 5 by 7 plus 6 by 15 is equal to 2 by 5 into 5 by 7 plus 2 by 5 into 6 by 15. First number into second number plus first number into the third number. Is it clear? Now coming to the LHS. So ये वाला solve करेंगे 2 by 5 into 5 by 7 plus 6 by 15. तो पहले हमें इसका LCM निकालने का, क्यों? Because it is addition. याद रखो एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में LCM निकालने का है if the denominator is not same. मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन में आप लोग कैंसिल करते हैं, ये हमेशा याद रखो. नाउ 2 by 5 into, keep it the same. Now put the square bracket 7 and 15. तो LCM क्या होगा? सो 7 के टेबल में 15 मतलब एंडिंग विथ आइदर 5 और 0. 7 10s are 7 5s are 35 नहीं है. 7 10s are 70 वो भी नहीं है. 7 15s are, it will be 105. So LCM is 105. So 5 into 7 15s are 105 plus 6 into 15 7s are. फिर ये ऑलरेडी हम जो पहले वर्कशीट में किए वही मेथड में करने का है. 2 by 5 as it is into 15 5s are 75 plus 6 7s are 42 और डिनोमिनेटर इज 105. अभी 2 by 5 into ऐड करो 5 plus 2 7 7 plus 4 11 upon 105. अभी ये नंबर्स को देखेंगे तो 2 and 105 नहीं जाएगा, 5 and 117 भी नहीं जाएगा, लेकिन 117 and 105 जाएगा, कैंसलेशन होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि चेक करो आप लोगों का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट 6th स्टैंडर्ड में आप लोग सीखे हैं. 7 8 9 3 के में भी जाएगा, 9 में भी जाएगा. 5 plus 1 6 3 में जाएगा. सो डिवाइड बाय 3. 3 3s are 9 10 11 2 remains. 2 and 7, 27. So 3 how much are 27? 3 9s are 27. अब इधर 3 3s are 9, 1 remains, 1 and 5 15, 3 5s are 15. So you got 39 by 35. तो ऐसे ही कैंसलेशन नहीं होता है, ऐसे भी होने का चांसेस है, बट रिमेंबर 1 from the numerator, 1 from the denominator. You can't cancel numerator and denominator. It is always one number from the numerator, the other number from the denominator. It is the rule for fractional numbers, isn't it? There you have learned this. Now 2 into 39 upon 5 into 35. अभी देखो 5 and 35 सेम टेबल में है, लेकिन इसको कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते. क्यों? बोथ आर इन द डिनोमिनेटर. Is it clear? Now directly multiply because further cancellation is not there. 2 9s are 18, 1 remains, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. So you got 78 upon 175. Now coming to the RHS. It is 2 by 5 into 5 by 7 plus 2 by 5 into 6 by 50. So ये लिख के ले लो. अभी कैंसलेशन को देखो. 2 and 5 not possible. 2 and 7 not possible. But 5 and 5 yes. So 5 ones are 5 ones. Plus. Now here 2 and 5 not possible. 2 and 15 not possible. 6 and 5 not possible. But 6 and 15 possible. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So you are understanding this topic now? How to cancel. Now 2 1s are 2 upon 1 7s are 7 plus 2 2s are 4. 5 5s are 25. So you got two rational numbers. Now we have to add. Addition के लिए तो LCM, isn't it? Now 7 and 25. Directly the LCM is 175. If it is a big number, go for the method that the common division method. If you are not confident, go for that method and find out the LCM. Rough work में करो. So here 175 is the LCM. So 2 into 7, how much? 175. 7, it is a 25. Check करो. 7 5s are 25. 7 2s are, sorry, 7 2s are 14. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. So 25 आएगा plus 25. It is when you multiply you got so much. So it is 25 7s. Interchange. Okay, when you directly multiply these, and get the LCM, so you have to interchange the numbers. 2 into 25, 4 into 7. Abhi 25 2s are 50, 7 4s are 28, और denominator आएगा 175, 8 plus 0 8, 5 plus 2 7 upon 175. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. देखो कोई कोई एग्जाम्पल्स आपको जो भी दिए हैं थोड़ा टफ है, लेकिन वर्कशीट्स में इतने टफ सम्स नहीं है. only for your practice we are doing this examples also. Sometimes in the exam they might ask the examples. That is why we have to do the examples to understand. Then the worksheet will be easy. Now, example 13. For rational numbers x, y, z values are given, we have to verify. This is the distributive property under subtraction. This is subtraction, isn't it? So, we'll write it is a x into y minus z. This is the LHS. Put the value, x का value आएगा 5/6 into bracket open minus 7/3 minus 2/9. Now 5/6 into, put the square bracket, 3 and 9, 9 is the LCM है ना, 9 LCM आएगा, minus 7 न्यूमरेटर में लिखो, 3 3s are 9, so multiply by 3 minus 2 into 9 1s are 9, इसके लिए 1. तो अभी आएगा 5/6 into, इधर माइनस प्लस माइनस 7 3s are 21 minus 2 1s are 2 upon 9. तो अभी आया 5/6 into माइनस माइनस सेम साइन है तो ऐड करो, साइन माइनस आएगा, 21 plus 2 is 23/9. अभी न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को पूछो, 5 and 6 not possible, 5 and 9 not possible, 23 and 6 not possible, 23 and 9 not possible. Directly multiply. Plus minus minus, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11/9. This is the answer for LHS. Now for the RHS, it is a x into y minus x into z. अभी x का वैल्यू 5/6 into minus 7/3 minus x का वैल्यू 5/6 into z is 2/9. Okay. अभी 5 and 6 not possible, 5 and 3 not possible, 7 and 6 not possible, 7 and 3 not possible. So multiply and write, plus minus minus, 7 5s are 35 upon 6 and 3 सेम टेबल में है लेकिन कैंसलेशन नहीं होगा क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में है दोनों, 6 3s are 18. अभी माइनस 5 and 6 not possible, 5 and 9 not possible, 2 and 6 possible, 2 1s are 2 3s are. Now 5 1s are 5, 3 9s are 27. Clear? Now 18 and 27. If you check, the LCM is 54. 27 2s are 54 and 18 3s are 54. So numerator minus 35, okay, into 18 3s are 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 4 5. So 54 मतलब 3s are minus 5 into 27 2s are 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s. Now It is a minus plus minus. 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 3s are 9, 10, minus 5 2s are 10 upon 54. अभी आया माइनस माइनस, मतलब ऐड करो, साइन माइनस डालो. 5 प्लस 0 5, 0 प्लस 1 1, and this 1 as it is upon 54. Did you get the same? Sorry, 5 6 9s are 54. Sorry, we got the same answer. We are not multiplied. 6 9s are 54. Okay, so it is a LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. What is it? X into y minus z is equal to x into y minus x into z. Understood? See, some silly mistakes we do, so better take care. So we have completed the example 13, example for multiplication. Hope you have understood the properties and examples of the multiplication of rational numbers. Bye. Thank you.